If you're a business owner and you don't really know how to take professional pictures for your product, or it's not even about taking the pictures, it's mostly about designing and editing it, you don't really know how to do that, my dear, we have CapCut now. So all you need to do is take a plain picture of your products, preferably in a plain background, and CapCut will give you a professional version of the picture. Now let me show you how to do it. So in the CapCut app, click here, and then go to product photos, then select the photo you want to edit. Let me select this one, and now it's going to remove the background, and you can pick any of these backgrounds, but I don't want any of this plain background. It looks so basic, so I'll go to AI background, and there are so many options to choose from. Let's try this one. Yeah, this is good, but it's not as good as I want it to be. Let's go to countertop and select this one. And look, it gave it a different background. Now the problem is the angle I took the picture. I think the picture is kind of slopey with the way if I had taken it in a better angle, this would look so good. But even with the current position, it still looks so good. It looks like the background came with the photo. Like, it looks so natural. It doesn't look like it was fake. So let's go to outdoor. I don't think outdoor would fit it. Let's go to interior. Okay, with interior, let me pick this one and let's see how it would look like. Look, it looks good, although it does not go with the theme, but it looks good. I like it. And let's try flowers. I think flowers would go really well with it. Let me try this pink one. And look, okay, I like this one. I think I like this one the most. It looks so good. So basically, that's what product photo does to your pictures. It just makes it look more like something that was taken in an actual studio with an actual professional photographer. There are more things you haven't discovered in CapCut that I'll show you. So make sure you subscribe, like, and stay notified. Bye. Share this video, please.